Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on setting an admin budget in the Rewards feature. The first step is to activate the budget by clicking on the admin budget and turning it on. Here, you can see admins with permission to send tokens. By default, they have an unlimited budget, but you can allocate a certain number of tokens by clicking on Manage Budget. Once their initial budget has been set, you can always add more tokens to it, make it unlimited, or reset it back to 0. Don't worry, all these actions are recorded in the budget history to ensure your company's money is used responsibly. As you allocate the budget, you will get an overview of the company's balance and budget. Finally, you can always turn off this capability if needed. For further assistance, please check our Help Center for more articles and videos. Thanks for watching.